Hello guys, I'm at this place 40 kilometers before Leh city, and this place is very famous for its magnetic hill. It's the name of this neighborhood. It's called Magnetic Hill. So according to people's belief, or I would say more or less, it's a illusion. So people believe that in this place, when the car is parked here, or when the car is kept on neutral, the car goes against the gravity, climbs up the hilly area, and then keeps on going. So it's altogether, in short words, I would say the car travels against the gravity. So this everyone is demonstrating with their cars. If you see behind me, so everyone is demonstrating their cars. So I would also like to demonstrate and find out what's the truth behind it. So we have our car, so we will take it to the flat surface of this we'll take to the flat surface of this neighborhood, and let's see if our car rolls down against the gravity, and let's see if it's really a magnetic hill, or more or less, or more like a illusion. So guys, now we are at a place which is very famous for its name, which is called Magnetic Hill. So according to some people's belief, that at this point, at this place, the car rolls against the gravity. But we tried to demonstrate it. As you can see, our car has is on neutral, and there is no one driving. As you see, the only illusion is, if you see over there, the car when is stopped over there, kept on neutral, it rolls down with the gravity. And over here there is a little bit up on the upper side. So when there is a force, when the car is rolling down, automatically, according to the speed of the car automatically climbs up a small hill and then keeps on rolling. So there is only a small amount of hilly area somewhere around here, which is actually climbed by the force which is coming from there. When the car is stopped over there, when the car is on neutral, the car rolls down and climbs up this hill, and then rolls down more forward. So I think it's more like illusion. When you look from the other side, it looks like it's on the it is working against the gravity, but it is not very convincing. So another reason is the mountains around here. So altogether, I can say it's just an illusion, because some of the cars did roll down, but it wasn't very convincing. As you can see, I actually tested these roads, and I found the place where it was flat. Normally, what people normally drive from there. They drive from the slope, and then there is a little bit flat surface here, a flat and hilly surface there in the middle. There is a hilly surface in the middle, like little bit, like not very much. It's not very much visible, but when you see from far distance, it looks like it's like hilly area. So when the car rolls on from there, and over here there is some hilly area. It's an upper area. So easily, according to the rule of gravity, when there is enough force, it climbs up the hilly area and then keeps on going forward. So more or less, it's an illusion of this area. Yeah, some people did that. The car kept on going down and climbed up this small uphill, and then kept on rolling down, but it wasn't very convincing, because they started right from there. So as you see, our car, I actually with my cell phone, I tested with the compass, I tested the ground level, So this point of place, it's flat, so there is no slope here. So when the car is stopped over here, it's a neutral, as you see, no driver there. When the car is kept over here, parked over here, the car is not going backwards. So it's more or less, it's an illusion, or I would say word of mouth or people's belief. As right now we tested this place called Magnetic Hill, so it's more or less the illusion, which didn't convince me. Yeah, sometimes when you park the car, like from a higher place, and it rolls down and it looks like it's climbing up against the gravity, but I think it's not the real thing. It's more of word of mouth, and there are big boards put up here called Magnetic Hill. As you see behind me, so many people are stopping here because this place is very famous, and it's known as Magnetic Hill. So because it's very famous, so many people stop. We also thought to stop over here, and as you see behind me, they also have this mountain. I think it's called dirt bike or something. I don't know the exact name. So they have this adventure ride. We can go up, climb up the hill over there. They charge approximately 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees. They say this vehicle is for 4 lakhs each. So we also thought to do this kind of ride over here. So some of my friends did it. So we were 5 of us all together. So they gave us discount of 500 rupees all together. So 1,000 rupees per person normally, because we were 5. They charged us 900 rupees per person. So it's like altogether like 10 to 15 minutes ride around. So this was the Magnetic Hill, and I hope you enjoyed. So guys, that was Magnetic Hill, and that was the bike ride. So Chetan and some of others did this riding. So let's see how Chetan felt about
great
it.
experience with the mountain bikes. This was my first time to ride a mountain bike in those mountains for 3 kilometers. I never ridden 4-wheeler motorbikes. This was the first time. The steering was so hard, which I can't move steering on right or left side. There's one upon a time, there was a big hole, a manhole, where I just rode a motorbike and it was just imbalanced and tried to secure myself somehow. But it was great experience. Some of us, one of us
That was awesome.
fell down from the motorbike, but that was awesome. We guys rock on mountain hills.
So the most experienced guy riding this kind of bike fell down from the top of the hill.
You got the fine.
So
Leg is paining.
yeah, his leg is paining.
Dubbing.
And we are thankful he didn't got any major injuries. Okay, so that was the whole thing. So thank you for watching.